why. People ask, why would you even think about putting a school within a school, a micro school, in a rural public school district? This normally does not happen in public and especially rural districts. And we really talked about, we were tired of kids just coming to school and checking off the boxes. They're sitting there, they're regurgitating information, they take the test, they forget about it afterwards, they do it again, and this cycle just kept going. We didn't feel that empowerment there, that engagement. And we felt like if we're going to give them the skills to get out in this complex world, it needs to be more than coming in, filling in the blanks, taking a test and moving on. And I guess my big thing...
You want me to chime in?
Yeah, I want you to chime in, yes.
Or in some cases, not checking off the boxes.
Yeah.
I mean, let's be honest, that's a big thing. And a lot of you have had kids go through the school, and it's, even just getting them to check off the boxes. Why? So that's a big thing too. There's a lot of kids that play the game of school very well, check those boxes off, jump through the hoops, but then there's a lot of them that are like, I don't want to play that game. Okay, so we're going to change the game.
We're going to change, we're changing the game. Anything else, team?